Have you felt lately that the magic is fading? 2 years ago, we stared at our screens in awe as AI wrote poetry and code, as if we were witnessing the birth of an alien intelligence. Today, those same answers feel repetitive, sometimes even stupid, as if this electronic genius is suffering from early onset dementia. The question keeping Silicon Valley's top scientists awake at night isn't, how do we make it smarter, but something far scarier. Have we reached the ceiling? Are we truly building a supermind? Or have we just built a giant parrot that memorized the internet and is now endlessly recycling the same words? The truth is, we are standing before an invisible wall, and what lies behind it will determine the fate of humanity. Let's imagine current AI as an athlete training for the Olympics. At first, just eating healthy and doing simple exercises made his performance skyrocket. This is what happened with large language models in the beginning. The more data and computing power we added, the smarter they got linearly. This is known as scaling laws. But the problem now is like that pro athlete who needs to put in 100 times the effort just to improve by 1%. We are pouring in billions of dollars and burning through entire power plants, yet the quantum leap in intelligence isn't happening at the same pace. The new model doesn't seem much smarter than the old one. It's just more polite. We aren't facing failure, we are facing a physical and mathematical limit to the current training method, which relies on next token prediction rather than true understanding. Here we reach the strangest dilemma. AI has eaten almost the entire internet. It has been trained on every book, article, and blog post humans have ever written. And now, the food has run out. Companies are now trying to feed AI with data generated by other AI, creating a scientific disaster called model collapse. Imagine taking a photo, then photographing the print and repeating this 1,000 times. The result is a distorted image with no features. When AI trains on its own output, it loses touch with reality, and its answers become repetitive, meaningless hallucinations. We need a new source of knowledge or a new way of learning that doesn't rely on rote memorization. The core reason you feel the performance is just repetition is that current AI operates with only one thinking mode. In psychology, we have System 1 and System 2. Current AI is the master of System 1. It babbles at lightning speed, but it doesn't think before it speaks. It lacks an internal logic to check its thoughts. The coming revolution isn't about making the parrot memorize more words, but teaching it the silence of thinking. Scientists are now working on algorithms that allow the model to plan and search through a tree of thoughts before writing a single letter. Only then will we move